Yoo-hoo! Subscribe!
Look, a crack in the ice. Everyone, be careful.
What crack? Where? Can I see?
Crew up! We have to all stay together and away from the crack. Rudy! Lemmy! You're floating away!
I got you. Don't you worry.
We're floating away!
This often happens with icebergs.
Maybe we can build a bridge back to where they are.
Let's all stay calm and be smart about this.
Don't worry! We're on it, and we'll do anything to get you! And remember, crew, we also have to find the polar bear we came here to help!
Okay, we can't just float away like this. We have to do something. Maybe row this iceberg? If we can. Wow, good idea, and it's working. Ouch! Oh, not again. Let go, please. Don't eat my tail.
I thought I saw something.
Rudy, don't stand up so fast. The balance of the iceberg gets thrown off. Very dangerous.
Look, over there. Hello!
Help! I'm lost!
We hear you. We're coming right to you.
We have to find Yoo-hoo, Pammy, and Choo-woo. I hope they're nearby. Yoo-hoo!
Yoo-hoo! Subscribe!